Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions moved in my name. Speaker sir, for the progress of our state, we must rise above party politics and work collectively. It is my duty, it is the duty of the Honorable Chief Minister to ensure equal attention and development across all 40 constituencies, giving due consideration to the elected representative while undertaking any development work. Speaker sir, though the Honorable Chief Minister has indeed addressed many issues concerning to my constituency and which have been taken up for the welfare of Kepekars, let me clearly state that these works were accomplished by my personal follow-up with the Honorable Chief Minister, and for this I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister. Speaker sir, demand number 41, Sports and Youth Affairs. Speaker sir, in my constituency, I want to bring to your notice that there is only one sports complex which is there in Kepe. Now we are talking about the third district. And among this, the Mujmadhyani honorable member, Mamgelo Kabarala Madhyazait Basabus Zali. Anik Maksa, there is one sports complex till date. During the first session, when the session started, I put a zero-hour guideline that the sports complex is in a very pathetic state, and it's almost now 10 days. The state of that swimming pool is the same. I want the Honorable Chief Minister, who is holding the sports portfolio, that he should come clearly and state, till after taking up in the assembly session, floor of the house, this state of this sports complex, particularly this swimming pool, is the same. That means, Magistat officers or whoever is there in the department who takes note of this. So it is a very serious issue, Speaker sir, because there are many young talented sports person, Speaker sir, want to pursue their career in sports. But when this type of things happen, is that they are like in darkness. Ek sports complex which caters not only to Kepe, to Kuchore, to Sange, and when one sports complex is in a very pathetic state, कितले वर्षां जाले म्हाका स्वता तेका लाईट आयतलोय चल नाही. एक वॉकिंग ट्रॅक केला. That is done now when I took over. जिमनियम महा तेतून कांयच इक्विपमेंट्स नाही. स्विमिंग पुलाचे वयल्यान टायल्स गेलो आहे. Maintenance of the washrooms in a very pathetic state. म्हाका दिसता हांव तरी इन्या ऑपोजिशन आंदोर रुलिंग दोग जाण आमदार आहा, एक मिनिस्टर आहा, एक पयलींचो मिनिस्टर आहा. At least they should force the government to look into this sports complex. कित्याक येस ना की ऑपोजिशनचो आमदार आहा, रुलिंग आहा तेम तरी सांगपा जाय. Speaker sir, in fact, I urge the Honorable Chief Minister within this coming week to take serious note of this. Because Speaker sir, whenever jam gelo national game jalo, keslo game jalo, youth from this constituencies like Kepe, Sange, Ya Taluka, Amgela Kankon have got the highest medals. And after, without having so much of facilities, and just think if we have this good facilities, amge ani kitli mukar hoito kai monu. Speaker sir, I want to thank the Honorable Chief Minister and then Sports Minister Bab Govind Gowde. We had a ground called Diam ground. Anik antito amgelo e Bab Lotlekar asillo. After almost 3 years of follow-up, magdista 5 or sali ground start korba kelle. But after almost 5 years, these 3 years and previous 2 years, the ground, small ground, has been completed, and we are just waiting for to have the inauguration. Kai karana amge Govind Bab aspas allo त्यांना नाव लेन गायले, but ना झालो. आता Honorable Chief Minister, let's see 8 तारखेर कोण घेतो. त्या उपरांत so we are waiting for that inauguration. So I thank the then Chief Sports Minister and Chief Minister to get this work done. Speaker sir, मुद्दो मानिक urge कोता. There are places in Kepe is the last big constituency, and leaving these 2 grounds, we don't have a grounds in Morpilla, Fatorpa, Khola. And it is my sincere demand to the government, so give us a good ground where the youth can spend their time. Otherwise, आज के ज़्यादा youth बाहर हुई था, आती बाहर हुई, then we say gambling, drugs, all this, all other bad habits. So let us all come together, and the Honorable Minister and Chief Minister has to put special attention on Kepe. Speaker sir, demand 43, art and culture. Speaker sir, for the first time when I became an MLA, I in fact requested for a similar type, I'm not saying a huge a similar type like Ravindra Bhavana Bachchan. We need a place to showcase our amgele नीज गोंयकार amgele ST जावं बाकीचे लोक they are kala showcase करपाक we don't have a place. So I urge the government, because we have land in Kepen, Zomin na is na acquired land. So I think so the honorable minister can focus on that and give us a small space where our youth, talented youth and others can showcase their talent. Because amgele Kepen मतदार संघा मग स्वतः आमगेले जे ST बाळ तेंगेले folk dance या बाकीचे local art form in भरपूर so sometimes during तेंगे the फुगड्यो बीन गाता but they don't have a proper place to showcase. So I urge the government to give us a places there to construct a similar type of Ravindra Bhavan in our constituency. Speaker sir, demand 85 rural development. So rural development word itself says that department is to upbring rural areas. But Magusta Amgela Venzi Banjala Chinmay Mutto, Magsata Eklo JE and he is not capable of holding so many consciences. So I don't know why government is not appointing more JEs to do that work. He takes the work, he is not capable, but Zaina is stressed out. Zaina there are almost after so much Magsata Fatlan Lavan, they got a follow up on. We have just got in 3 years, I've got just 4 files approved from him. Tender amount, Kola Mutam Gela Wati Sadi. So Magsada engineer now, Sarkar is not capable, I don't know. But you the only engineer who is holding this, I don't know, Kitu I thought for Maka Vilde, Tenga Banale Ham. So I think so RDA is a department who can do some development in the rural areas. But I think so Sarkar Huintari Fatpota. So I urge the government to follow up this, give us more engineers so that they efficiently work Kurbada. Speaker sir, Janna demand number 6 election. I want to bring to the notice of the House, there are serious concerns regarding migrants residing in Goa who possess ID cards not only from Goa but only from their native states. It has come to my notice, Speaker sir, that certain individuals, Tengele voting rights, both the states, they are like Rajasthan, they have their voting rights there, and in Goa also. It is a clear violation, Speaker sir. And I want to urge the government, BLO they have to take serious note of it. Boson, Opsam Boson, the BLO kam korba nahi. And I want to bring to your notice, before our 2022 elections, 2021 and then municipal elections are in Kepia. Eku Garacher, more than 150 names were put on one single house. When it came to my notice, that time I was not a MLA also. It was the municipal elections. When I came to my notice, 150 plus on one house number. Goracher, believe that otherwise Terna deputy collector Mamridar kota. So on one house number. So after I brought to the notice, these names were deleted. Speaker, bogus voting muti amgal mangsa Kepiam Burpurai and not everyone. There are few people, I don't want to name those people. Then election time at the voting atai and then Basinusan Bon atai, Consola election and Nach Kodai. Maka now but I urge the government, Kepen Madar Sangha, Kepen Deputy Collector, Mambida Renga, Soglam, Maksa and Chopade, Eve, and in particular town area all bogus and Baki Amgela, Vade Gawani Nai. Town and the bogus voting and the Maksada government to be serious. Ida Yankiza Jana Mot Matato Munisa, Horace Wapan Kona Mot Mato. Mot Manto Pans or some Nudonata. So Konaku Ale, Dole, Mot Male Postile, Dale, Sapazena. So I think so government has to be very serious and take strict actions against this. Speaker sir, Janna demand 14 Goa Sadhana Jolaida. I had requested Chief Minister Magille ki Velenkini Amka Janna Borpur Goinkar with I think a Goa Southern Galmund. I think so government is putting Amgela Ayodhya Goa Southern Gada, which is a very good thing. At Pandarpura, Puerami Soglan Magila, definitely is opposite. So since Velenkini, I urge the government, Kitabu Zomin Tinga and I'm going to basically high rate Aspana Dinga, Unia Poisan, even if they give us something, a committee charge, we will try to find out space close to Velenkini, and then we want a place where Goinkar, not only Catholics, everyone goes there. So I urge the government to have a Goa Southern there, because it is need of the hour. Kitago Janata, Atakir Fesatlan, Loka Hotel Mene, Gori Vidawajan, Bailan Nitai. So, Kitlan dormitory system or room system who can afford minimum charges then Makusang Galpaji Goroza. Speaker sir, when we talk about police, Makusada, definitely I don't want to blame, but Zaitpat police are blame Kotai. Everything you cannot blame, but general public also have to be vigilant when things happen. But migrants, because today itself in the morning, एक कार सर्विस करपा एकला आमगेलो तारोटी about 3 days पयलेलो. He went to do his car service at a car station. He had $10,000 in his tool. And to puttun il mutrich when he was supposed to take the car in Tiramolar, Bab Kabrala Operasuli, $10,000 na dele. Then the person called me up. I called up the PI. PI and that don't add $7,400 made and don't other charge not really. So this is the state. I don't know, verification is very important. So most of the migrants in Borput Tras are either we have migrants at the utensil, bedsheet, again bomba, they time to do the survey. I feel that whenever the cops see them, on a beta police minai de, then got soon then ID, VD and sopa, at the end of the day, Kappa Fatim gold shopat chori dali. Azun then pata melna, then gold melna. So I think so police have to be very vigilant. Anik, when I talk about police, Magdasta, we have short of staff. I think so superiors also here. Honorable Chief Minister has to see Amgele, Kunkole police station are short of staff. KPM police station short of staff. Vehicles are not there. Vehicles are just with 1 or 2 vehicles in Kunkoli because the area is vast, a big area. So I think you'll have to provide more vehicles to Kunkoli police station. More I am talking about Kunkoli because it covers right from Kola till Kankon until Betul, Chinchini, Silni, Barshe and then Adne. So just see that we have a good PI Amgelo Kunkodia, but definitely vehicle and staff is need of that. Speaker sir, I had asked the government, Honorable Chief Minister, to have an outpost in Betul. Since Betul Kanangini is developing, we have a big Amgele ONGC is coming up with a huge infrastructure. Now, henceforth, Energy Week will be celebrated. It will be a fixed destination. Energy Week, big event will happen in Kanangini in ONGC. I feel the Chief Minister who has promised me to have an outpost there because Swatya, we have placed, I think so inspection was done. I don't know how the file where it is reached, but I asked the Chief Minister to take up this seriously because there are more development projects which are supposed to come in IDC in Kanangini. So I asked the government to have an outpost there because that is need of the Speaker sir. When you talk about gambling, and Zaijan Ulele, Draxamazal, and Goya for bad reasons, bad things, it has been very sad to say the Goa, Amgele Itli, Bore, people come from all over the world. When bad things come into picture that Goa has been highlighted as different, I don't want to speak. But bad things, whatever we speak, it goes out. So see that the government and the department takes necessary actions. Because end of the day, Goa is dependent on tourism industry. And when mining has stopped, tourism is the only source which majority of people earn now. I feel the department, I don't want to blame, but definitely, yes, end of the day, when something happens, the government is blamed, the department is blamed. But please see that our beautiful Goa is kept in a good way. Everywhere it is projected, it is safe. Today also that news came of that lady. I don't know what is the reason behind it, but definitely this bad news shouldn't go. It shouldn't spoil the reputation of our beautiful Goa because we all love. Might be we are different with our party lines, Muchi party, but end of the day we are all Goinkars. So we should see that Goa is our center. So adoption So we should see that Goa has been protected. Speaker sir, when I talk about traffic management, so the Barley, we have a junction where the 4 roads are there. I urge the Honorable Chief Minister, Barley, Amgal Chief Minister, Deola Minetan, Fatorpa, Itli, tu etach, Dewa bin, Puri Fatielo, tu Bauji get Yastona, Ratigole. So, this both thing a problem jata. You keep a fixed thing, a barik so get a land, 24/7, Barley, we need police there. for traffic. कित्याक तेंगेले लोकणांच्यो हात जातले because it is so congested जाता and people park on the main road. See that you seriously take this. तुवें आयकिल्लो आसतलो भितोस आयकलां. I have praised you also. ताका लागून विजय म्हणटा adoption म्हणटा कळ्ळें तुका कित्याक तें. So whatever is done is done. एडॉप्शनाचे बोले ना 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 कित केला ते केला आणि थोड्यो फायल आहाय आनी सायड मारपाच्यो तेका लागून स्पीकर सर when we talk about public works speaker sir yes वावुला रस्तो definitely after liberation म्हाका वावुला एक रस्तो नाशिल्लो so again I thank the chief minister हो रस्तो आज जाला and verge of completion थोडो काम होला and we will complete it. So I thank the honorable actually Bab Nilesh Asthona start in the process and CM आता ते मुखार येयला. So I thank the chief minister but in the same way yesterday आज सगळ्यांक सांगला ऑर्डर सगळ्यांनी मगे सायड मारले म्हणून but सायड मारले तो मातसो फायनल ऑर्डर दिन 20 मिनिट दिव ऑर्डर दिन यो काम जावपा जाय. So I urge the chief minister काल फायल मारले तो मातशे म्हगेल्यो ताबडतोब कामां रस्त्याचें जावपा जाय. स्पीकर सर एक हांव तुका एक केस हाडटा जेन्युअन केस म्हाका स्वता इन आमगेल्या खोला पोपय दाड्यार म्हण थिंगा स्पीकर सर मातशें चीफ मिनिस्टर आयकपाचें पोपय दाड्यार आमगेलो शाब्बा म्हण आहा तेगेले ऑलमोस्ट 10 years बॅक 10 वर्स पयलीं तेगेले प्लांटेशन झाड बीन मारली बिकॉज एक्विजिशन रस्तो केलो म्हूण नाल बीन फोडले तेन्ना सुदीन बाब आलो PWD मिनिस्टर पोपय दांड्यार उगडास असतो तुका तूं आनी आमगे पयलीं आसलो तो आमदार तूं एक नाल बीन फोडो थिंगा नाल फोडो तेण बाबड्यान आपणागे झाड मारली साब्बा मान पोपय दांड्यार आज पासून चोयल्या ती फायलू ना गायब थिंग फायल लँड एक्विजिशन जालें तूं हे नाल फोडपाचें केप्यां भरपूर कारस्थान चलतालें नाल हाडो फोडो नाल म्हणटा तो आमगेलो श्रीफळ देवाले तो एकूय कोण फोटाय तो हिंगारे नाल फोड 10 तरी नाल फोटाय ना तो नाल्लो ना तो ना हाँ नाल रे तुम नाल पण लास्टाचो त्यान उलोवपा लायनाका तेकलोय बाबड्याक तुम नाल माय चीफ मिनिस्टरान केलो कित केलो तो खबर आहा तुका तूं नालाच्यान वयनाका तुवें बुराक घायल तेगे नाला मागीर दोन रिकॉर्ड एडॉप्ट केला ओके स्पीकर सर दिस थिंग सारकें तुम्ही बुराक माल मरे चीफ मिनिस्टर बुराक मालो स्पीकर सर हे खेडे दिस पोपय दाडे हो रस्तो का मुद्दम सांगतो तुगे डिपार्टमेंटाक पीसी आहा हिंगा पीसी बरें काम करता ना म्हणा फायल रोकडा सायड मारतो देव बरें करूं पीसी कुय कित्याक काय ना म्हणा स्पीकर सर ह्यो मातशे हे खेड्याचे हे पोपय दाड्यार हे मातशे चोवपा जाय तुवें बिकॉज त्या मनशान ऑलमोस्ट तेगेली 15,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन पेडे केल्या बिकॉज ऑफ दिस स्पीकर सर आमगेल्या Speaker sir, I just want to bring to your notice. You had a Goa Recruitment and Employment Society. तितून 10-15 साली पयलीं भुरगीं काम करताले. In 2000 म्हाका स्वता तुवें तेच फाटल्यान you have taken them तांकां absorb केले into society. आतां पयर तुवें 15 वर्सां कोणाक केलें तांकां तुवें हें केलें on temporary basis. तांकां but these people who have worked in आमगेल्या Goa Recruitment and Employment Society पयलें those years will be considered. What you will want to just give us the answer because आतून 2 वर्स consider पयलीं 10 वर्स तेगे गेली because एक particular case आमगेली भुरग्याली सुभाष एस वेली पण he was kept as I will place ह्या भुरग्याक मातशे गरीब तो सारको I will place it on the table just see speaker sir जाले when I come to the home guards speaker sir except 30 भुरगे होले येऊन दी तुका 130 भुरगे होले who have worked more than 15 years home guardaचे तांकां कोरेन गे speaker sir when I speak about fire and emergency म्हाका स्वता डायरेक्टर तुगेलो बरो काम करता बाब रायकर आता चल जाले 20 मिनिटांच्या तू आता थिंगा ONGC कोडे आमकां फायर स्टेशन ना यू आर गेटिंग सो मच ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट देयर सरकार कोता but see that you place a fire station then speakers mean I thank the honorable chief अनेक पाट कोता मासे परंपरा जान जाए खबर कुडोई ना स्पीकर सर कुडोई मुट्टिगा वाटर लाइन 1 crore 20 lakhs ಅಂತ अप्रूव केल्या कोण कितें म्हणून यू नो वेरी वेल वी हैव फॉलोड अप विथ दैट वाटर पाइपलाइन इन कुडोई आमकां सळारी उदक नाशिल्लें ती वॉटर लाइन जाल्यार वर्क आउट केल्या थँक यू फॉर इट स्पीकर सर आणि उदकाची बिला एक मिनिट स्पीकर सर राव एक आमच्या नॅचरल उदकात जे स्प्रिंग वॉटर आहे तांकां तुम्ही बिल धाडा एलेक्स बाबराव बिल धाडा व्हॉट इज टू बी डन झोरी उदकात तुम्ही बिल धाडा हाऊ इट कॅन बी पॉसिबल फॉर मेंटेनन्स बीन फॉर मेंटेनन्स उदका बिल धाडा हाऊ इट इज पॉसिबल सर ना मिनिमम कितें तरी करपा जाय डोंट सेंड द बिल लोक बेजार जाले ते उदका बिल मत मारपा नाही ते मारपा नाही थँक यू स्पीकर सर
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
Enough said! Enough said, let's end sword. Drinking is the rhythm, what you're feeling is the vibe. About to make a drink and wanna race it to the tribe. Minutes is the time when I'm bringing in the ride. Enough said, let's end sword. Join the tribe.